It took nearly 30 distros to figure this out. Since leaving macOS, I've been on a weekly rotation of OS installs over the last 6 months, prepping for a new ranking video. But as I built these lists, the mission changed. I wasn't looking for the best anymore, I was looking for the one that worked for me. And in the twist that is actually quite predictable, this journey brought me right back to where it all started.
So I see you're running GNOME. I'm actually on KDE myself. I know this desktop environment is supposed to be better, but you know what they say.
Old habits die hard. For me, it's Linux Mint. Aside from easily powering my Nvidia 5070 Ti, I simply missed the stability. There is a comfort to Linux Mint that just makes it perfect for the daily driver. From the moment I hit install to finishing my standard customizations, the whole process takes just minutes. I'm up and running immediately. It's the return to old reliable, and just as I remembered, everything just works. As with my previous videos, I've linked all my specific Mint customizations and the My Linux for Work wallpaper details down in the description. That said, I know Mint isn't everyone's cup of tea. Since it's the holiday season, I'd rather not play the Grinch by roasting distros that simply didn't fit my workflow. Instead, let's keep it positive. Here is a list of the distros I really think you should check out heading into the new year. Of course, I'm selfishly putting Linux Mint at the top of the list. If you are new to Linux, it is arguably the best place to start. However, Pop! OS with the new Cosmic desktop has been excellent. I ran Cosmic right after upgrading my PC and it was flawless, especially using their Nvidia ISO. Speaking of gaming, if you prioritize raw performance, cachyos is an insanely fast and smooth clear winner. Then there is Arch Linux. I have weathered many sleepless nights with Arch. I love the distro and I love Hyperland, but I found myself spending more time fixing things than actually getting work done. I caution beginners, but I also highly recommend it. I learned so much more about Linux breaking Arch than I ever did in my college days learning Linux. Fedora is easily in my top 3, except for one deal breaker. I could not get Red Dead Redemption 2 to load. I tried everything, but it wouldn't budge. If not for that, it's a phenomenal OS. There are so many other excellent options: OpenSUSE, Manjaro, Debian, Ubuntu, Garuda, Endeavor, NixOS, and Zorin. You might find the same comfort in one of these that I found in Mint. For the pure gamers looking to vacate Windows with one goal in mind, Bazzite and Nobara are incredible and easily my top recommendations. For those wanting pure polish and aesthetics, look at Elementary OS. Finally, I have to include Omarchy and My Linux for Work files. Omarchy is technically a distro, and the My Linux for Work files offer a beautiful, opinionated Hyperland workflow that just works across multiple distros. I can't recommend these both enough, especially if you're new to Linux, because you will learn so much so quickly from both of these offerings. So again, I'm super happy with Linux Mint on this new custom PC I recently built, but if you're looking to start your Linux journey in the new year, start with this list. For me, the search ends with Mint, proof that you don't need a gaming distro to have a perfect gaming experience. It's running my new build smoothly, and I'm finally enjoying my games rather than debugging my OS. I might keep Arch or Fedora on the side for fun, but Mint is the daily driver. Drop a comment below. What are you running? And are you looking to ditch Windows or Mac in 2026? Let's discuss in the comments down below. And as always, thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.